Respectable principal, worthy teachers, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Teachers' Day is an important day for everyone. It celebrates the transformative role of a teacher, which they play in a student's life. In other words, teachers spend all their years in educating us and helping us become better human beings. However, generally, people forget their teachers once they pass out of their school. Thus, it is very important to have a day that is dedicated solely to them and their contributions. It is rather essential to show gratitude to these great human beings who shape us in innumerable ways. In honor of my teacher, I want to say that their selflessness and love help me grow and learn new things. It is because of you, dear teachers, that we are able to have the skills that we do today. Your experience have helped us become wiser from the better. No token of appreciation can ever be enough to thank you for what you all have done for us. Time spent with each one of us is nothing short of memorable, and we will forever be indebted to you all for shaping our personalities and making us better human beings. Thank you so much to all my teachers.